I'm Amanda Jackson, Child Passenger Safety Coordinator at the Governor's Office of Highway Safety. When installing your child's car seat, you have two options, the seatbelt or the lower anchors. Both methods are equally safe when they are used correctly. Seatbelts can be used in almost any position, but must be routed through the correct belt path and do not have a weight limit. Installation with lower anchors is only available in certain positions in car models year 2003 and newer. Lower anchors must be routed through the correct belt path and do have a weight limit. The labels on the side of the car seat will usually provide this information. Using lower anchors and seatbelts together does not make your installation more secure, and typically it's not allowed. You can go to gahighwaysafety.org to find a technician near you to get your car seat checked.